this is how I prepare my meal of the day. This is a big pork hip, I guess if you will, and I put black pepper. And notice that I put holes with the knife in the meat, a lot of holes, except the skin. So in the skin, I do not put holes because I like that part to be really fry, like pork rind. So I put the holes on the bottom of the skin. So on the bottom of the skin, I put holes, and I put the seasoning inside the meat. So you got the meat, all the seasoning, all the way inside the meat, and I have black pepper. I have Italian seasoning. I have salt. And then I place it on the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour. And then I check, and if I need it, I continue to bake it until that skin is really crispy. I like it.